So I just ran this command atlas debug and it is setting up the Jira server for us. So let's go and refresh it whether it has come back or not. No, not yet. So let me close all these windows for you. Take some time. So what you have to do is now to understand this thing, right? So we did not use the scanner, right? So we'll have to use Atlas CLI to pick up our changes that we are going to do inside our plugin. So now every time you make your changes on the backend, not on the templates, you just have to run the PI. It will pick up the changes. So it is still running. Okay, so there is no template folder here. So later on we'll have to create a template folder here so that we'll have all the because Atlassian the UI that you are able to see here, it all uh, is being it has all been being developed and using the velocity templates. So we'll be coming back to that thing later. So right now let's check. So it says us that the plugin system started. It's gonna take some while. So I have the project I have in mind for not use a notepad. Let's come back to the ID and readme. So so the uh, few important functionalities that I'm going to use to add in this tutorial is one to add workflow condition, add workflow host functions, add a Jira listener with your plugin, what else we can have, add a Jira project with add a Jira project with Java API, use REST API, Jira REST API, use Jira REST API to modify project, like you can uh, add a new user to the project or basically basic stuff that we can do. We're just so let's not say modify project, use Jira REST, basically use Jira REST API for different purposes. So we'll see once I define the project what we are actually going to do. So let's go back and see if the has been started. Great. So looks like our Jira server is started. Okay. So as I said, the default username password is admin. So it has two plug.